Hey guys, this is Karol yet with another affiliate marketing video, and today we are going to look at one of the biggest mistakes people tend to do when starting making money online journey. And if you are into making money online, chances are you've already experienced it as well. So without further ado, let's get straight into today's topic and see what is this big mistake. So what exactly is this big mistake that many people tend to do? Now, if you are into making money online niche, you probably noticed and you probably know that the success in this niche is not going to be just like this, an overnight success, right? It takes some time, some effort from your end. Also, learn some new skills, implement it, and then you're going to see the results when you persist and put the time and effort into it, right? So the problem is that we live in a world where we are programmed to want the instant results, right? You have the next day deliveries or the fast foods and all of these things. However, in life, in many things, especially those ones that we want to accomplish, the success, that takes some time and effort to put from our end, and that's where sometimes the problem begins. All right. The thing is that when you don't see the result, it's sometimes difficult to persist and kind of like believe that the process is right, that this is the right process. I just need to continue with this, right? That's sometimes the most difficult part, and for me that was exactly the same. I went on this journey with the idea of the big success and everything and all of that stuff, and then I realized that okay, I need to put that time and effort into it. I need to persist, and yes, it wasn't easy. It wasn't walk of the path, right? But I persisted many times. It was difficult, right? I needed to overcome many obstacles, and that's how it pretty much works. But on this journey, you're going to see many obstacles, especially mentally. It's sometimes difficult because when we know that okay, if I follow this process, okay, I'm going to get the result that I want, then it's pretty much easier if you already have the proof. But doing something like this new, right? You don't have that proof, that you haven't experienced it yet. That's why it's many times like, oh, I'm not sure if this is going to actually work, right? I don't have really the proof. And that's where the problem begins. And you're starting to look at other things and doubting whether this method or whatever is the right one. And that's where the problem begins, and that's where the mistakes occurs. And that's where our topic is kicking in, and it's something called a shiny object syndrome. All right, many people actually suffer from this, and not many people actually know that this is something serious, right? So it's a shiny object syndrome, right? And syndrome, all right. And what does it actually mean? Shiny object syndrome is, if you know the age-old saying, the grass is greener on the neighbors, right? This is pretty much very, very similar to, when you are in a making money online niche, you probably are on email lists of many other marketers, right? And, we are just bombarded by these emails every single day, actually several times a day, right? And it's just offer after offer, and the thing is, when you are trying to, when you are starting out with making money online, with affiliate marketing, whatever it might be, right? You don't see the results straight away. You don't see any maybe leads, any sales, anything. So you're kind of focusing, but you don't see the results. And that's when these kind of other offers might kick in and actually doubt whether what you are doing is worth it. And so you're starting to think, oh, maybe I'm not doing the right method. Maybe I should change the strategy. Maybe I should use something different, right? And that's where these shiny objects come in the form of these offers from these emails, right? What happens is that you get an email about a brand new offer, a brand new untouched method, right? Something that is literally underground, something that was, hidden secrets, whatever it might be, right? Whatever fancy name, whatever fancy headline they can put there, right? And you are hooked up on this. Oh, this is something I want to tap in, right? I cannot miss this out on. And that's where the problem begins, because you're really kind of like, focused or obsessed by that, and you're like, oh wow, this is something I want to be part of, right? And this is something, oh, I don't have to even work for it, it's just some kind of like a press the button and it's working. So you're hooked on that. And what happens is you buy the product, you try it out, right? And what happens next is you get the same point as you were before, because the process of whatever you're doing is the initial boom, where you have the motivation, everything is working. Then there comes the difficult part, where you don't see the results, where you don't see any progress, you don't know whether this is the right thing, and then there is the big success, or a little bit like that. So that's what comes, and then when you jump from product like this, from product to product, you are in this kind of like an endless loop of big boom, and then you're passive, right? You don't see the results, and then again another shiny object arrives, another product, you buy it, you jump on that, and you stick with it for a while, and then it doesn't work, and the end result is that you're not going to succeed in anything, because all of them are either all of them require from you the time and effort, just like your first initial one, or most of them are actually just kind of like softwares which are not even working, right? They are not even going to get you the results, even if you put the time and effort into it, especially those softwares which are like done for you, systems and softwares and all of that stuff. I highly recommend you to stay away from it, because most of them don't even work, all right? Don't even work, and those that work are not really worth it. So stick to the strategies that are proven and are working, and just put that time and effort into it. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, hope you get some aha moments. I hope that I opened up parts of your mind that are like, okay, this is something that I was actually doing, alright? Because I was exactly like that. I was jumping from one and another, and it was more like from fear, that you don't succeed with this method, so you want to try the other one. But at the end of the day, I figured out that even that method is not really worth it, right? So I hope you enjoyed it, hope you get some aha moments, right? And now you understand it better, what's happening when you are trying other products. Just stick with one, all right? That's my recommendation. Stick with one that is proven, all right? And put that time and effort into it. You will get the results, all right, if you will persist and you will put that time and effort into it. All right guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about it. Give me thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and listen guys, if you are interested in affiliate marketing, and if you want a proven blueprint, an A to Z guide on how to actually do it, how to build your affiliate marketing business that brings in consistent sales and profits, then I have a 4-day video series where I go in great detail about all of that things, all right? Step by step, you can get it completely for free and you get full access to it, all right? It's in the description, in the link in the description below, and you get full access to it. All right guys, so that's pretty much it. If you go for it, I will see you inside of it. If not, completely fine. I wish you a great day, and I will see you in the next videos. Bye guys.